Hi pupils, today we are going to work with across the curriculum 7F. How does our eye work? Let's have a look. How do we see?
We see with our eyes. We see the light reflected from objects. Light comes into our eyes through the cornea. The fluid bends the light and sends it to the lens. The lens focuses the light onto the retina. The nerves in the retina create vibrations that send messages to the brain. Our brain then tells us what we see.
So this is the process of how we see, but this is in a Shkolla. Okay, now before starting to read the text, first of all let's check these words here.
Judge,
Judge, to make a decision about something, practical,
separate,
to divide or tell the difference between two things, tandash,
outer,
the part of something that is furthest from the center, prayashma,
cornea,
the clear covering on the eye outside of the eye, pracornea excluded,
contain
to
fluid,
have liquid inside, lamp,
sclera,
the white part of the eye, prasclera spesa bardes fluid,
lens,
the part of the eye that changes size to let you see things clearly, lentia.
inner,
Inner, a piesa e branchme.
retina,
Retina, the area at the back of the eye which sends the images you see to the brain. Pra është retina e syrit, e cila është mbas syrit dhe na dërgon imazhet që ne shohim, i dërgon tek truri jon.
reflect,
Reflecting,
bend,
to change something that it is not straight, the strong winds made the trees bend, but the percular.
focus,
Focus, të fokusohesh, to aim beams of light on a particular place, të fokusohesh pra rrezet e dritës në një pikë të caktuar.
nerve,
Nervat e trupit tonë,
create vibration,
të krijosh vibracione ose dridhje. Tek fjala nerv nuk janë nervat kur ne jemi të nevrikosu, kuptohet, janë nervat e trupit. Okay. Now, let's listen to the text.
how our eyes work. Our eyes help us see and enjoy the world around us. They also help us judge distances and separate dark and light. But do you know how you see? The eye is made up of three parts. The outer part includes the cornea, which contains fluid, and the sclera, which is the white of the eye. The middle part contains the lens. The inner part contains the retina. When you look at an object, what you really see is the light that is reflected from that object. Light comes in through the cornea. The fluid bends the light and sends it to the lens. The lens focuses the light onto the retina. To see objects near us, the lens becomes smaller. To see objects further away, the lens becomes larger. The retina contains nerves which help us see dark and light. These nerves create vibrations that send messages to our brain. Our brain understands them and tells us what we can see.
Lexojmë tekstin disa herë dhe në qoftë se kemi fjalë të tjera të reja për tekstin, ju lutem bëni të titull. Vazhdojmë exercise number 2, read again and answer the questions. How difficult was the text for you? Do ta lexojmë përsëri dhe do t'ju përgjigjemi pyetjeve. Sa I vështirë ishte teksti për ju? How many parts have our eyes got? Pra, të gjitha këto pyetje përgjigjen e kanë në tekst. Thjesht mjafton që ta lexoni shumë mirë dhe të jeni të përmendshëm. Study skills. Self-assessment. After you read, think about how difficult the text was for you. Think about unknown words, style, grammar, structures, information it includes. Pra vetë vlerësimi, mbasi ju lexoni, mendoni se sa i vështirë ishte teksti për ju. Mendoni për fjalët që i kishit të panjohura, për stilin e të shkruarit, strukturat gramatikore dhe informacionin që teksti që sapo lexuam përmble. Okay, exercise number 3. Use the diagram in the picture to say how our eyes work. Pra, duke përdorur diagramën që kemi në figurë me pak fjalë do ma përmblisni mënyrën se si punon syri jon. Pronunciation. Listen and pick, listen and repeat. Can you think of more words with this sound? Okay.
Bad. Bed. Met. Mad. Cat. Pet.
Okay. So that is the correct answer. And the last exercise, but not the least, how do we here collect information then present it to the class? You can use the keywords the ear. Pra, si dëgjojmë ne? Do të mbledhni informacione dhe pastaj do t'i prezantoni. Duke përdorur fjalën kryqe veshi. Pra, sot ne morëm për mënyrën se si funksionon syri. Ju do të zgjidhni të shkruani për veshin pak a shumë të njëjtën që sapo ne lexuam për syrin.
Our ears collect sounds, process them, and send sound signals to the brain. The ear is made of 3 different sections: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear is called the auricle, and it's the part of the ear that people see. Its main job is to collect sounds. Then the sound waves travel through the ear canal until they hit the eardrum, which separates the outer ear from the middle ear. When the sound waves reach the eardrum vibrates and moves some tiny bones called the ossicles, which are attached to the eardrum. These bones help sound move down the inner ear. When the sound vibrations reach the cochlea, a small curled tube filled with liquid in the inner ear, nerve signals are created that the brain can understand as sound.
And that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.